Republic Day, the day when the Constitution of India came into the effect. On this auspicious occasion, let's bow our head to the memories of great Indian freedom fighters and leaders. Now, let's put some of our efforts to complete their dreams of great India. Yes, they have given us the freedom as a precious gift, but now it's our turn to give them great India in return. What we can do to give them great India? Let's take some resolutions. Healthy means healthy nation. Yes, India has to be transformed to a developed nation, a prosperous nation, and a healthy nation. And for that, we need to stay healthy. And for that, we need to exercise. The exercise that makes you healthy, or play a sport that makes your morning special. Generally, when people meet each other, the very first question they ask that, how are you? Tame kem cho? But let's take our India to that level where people will ask very first question that which sports you are in. Yes, when every person of India will start playing a sport, they'll automatically be healthy and disciplined. The things that are not needed by your body. So let's take a resolution today to stop this. And the secret of getting ahead is getting started. Let's start from now. Second, zero tolerance towards pollution. Have you ever seen an animal cutting a tree, spitting on the ground, or destroying nature and its resources? No, na. Only the animal which is considered as the greatest animal in the world has the greatest mind does this. Destroys its sources of life. It's our moral responsibility to keep our environment clean, save the nature, keep our surroundings clean. What we can do for that? For a great example, if you have an empty space in your surroundings, try to grow some trees there. Try to make it a beautiful garden. It will help you in many ways. Like it will be a good use of that place. It will provide you many things. Your surroundings will stay clean. As you can see, a beautiful garden near us. Yes, when every person of India will start doing this, understand India is a step closer towards clean India. Third, being a responsible citizen. Yes, a responsible citizen obeys every law and order of the country. They are entitled to exercise fundamental duties and fundamental duties such as casting a vote, paying government taxes, protecting country from corruption, keeping their surroundings clean, raising money towards charity. Yes, the great people have done many things for us, and now it's our turn to give them a great India. Now, a very good poem for my motherland, India. India, the land of diversity. India, the symbol of unity. India, the water of sincerity. My mother India, where in every heart lies love and pity. My mother India, where Ganga arises. My mother India, where true knowledge lies. My mother India, where great leader not dies, but for the great land they sacrifice. The holy place of God, where each and every person stay together. Each and every person stay together in every time, in every weather. My mother India, the Himalayas are the crown. I am fortunate to be a part of this land. I am really glad